Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix Instagram's shake to reveal story not showing. So there is a new feature called shake to reveals where you can use the frame feature on Instagram story, and when it is updated your followers will not see the whole image but they see a blur image and they need to shake to reveal the image. And here, if you don't have that feature on your Instagram, you need to fix it. You can use these steps that I'm about to show you. So the first one is you can just update your Instagram app. So let's go back and go to the Play Store, and here let's find Instagram. Okay, so in here, if the apps or the Google Play asks you to update the Instagram, you need to click update, but I my app is currently is already on the latest version, so I don't need to add I don't need to update it. But if this shown update, you need to update it so that the new feature will be there. So if you are already update but the feature is not there, you can use you can go to the settings on your phone in here and find the apps or apps management on your phone settings. Here find Instagram. Okay, so what you need to do is clear the cache of the Instagram app. So go to the storage and cache, and here clear cache. You can see the cache on my Instagram is quite big, so clear the cache. So hopefully by clearing the cache, it might solve your problem and the feature will be there. But if it's not there, you can just go back and first uninstall the apps on your phone and then reinstall it, and hopefully the Instagram will be on the newest version. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.